Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to get iPhone emojis on the Poco X7. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now from here just search Z Font Free. Now from here just download this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download the app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here tap on Agree and tap on Grant. Now from here tap on Allow and tap on OK. Now from here scroll down and tap on See All. Now from here in the search bar just search iOS. Now from here just download the emoji pack you like. I will download this one. Now from here just tap on download. Now it will take a few seconds to download this emoji pack on your smartphone. Now from here just tap on apply. Now from here tap on via font and tap on OK. Now from here tap on use this folder and tap on allow. Now from here tap on change font. Now from here just select an official iOS 18. Now from here tap on apply. Now from here just go to your home screen and open the keyboard on your smartphone. Just like that. Now from here just go to the emojis section. Now as you can see the iOS emojis are not working properly. Just go back and tap on the themes app. Now from here just tap on apply one more time. Now from here go to your home screen and open the keyboard on your smartphone. Now from here just go to the emojis section. Now as you can see this is how you can get iPhone emojis on the Poco X7. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.